Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for the latest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D software with Blender 3.1, the latest update to the beloved CG software. Let's explore the new features and enhancements that make Blender a true powerhouse. Blender has come a long way in its nearly 3 decades of development. With its wide range of capabilities, from animation to game design, it has become one of the best free 3D apps available. And now, with Blender 3.1, the software continues to impress with its array of new features and improvements. One significant improvement in Blender 3.1 is the enhancement of animation tools. The introduction of the Pose library allows animators to store and apply character poses with ease. This not only saves time but also provides tools for blending between poses, revolutionizing the posing workflow for animators. Another major highlight is the overhaul of Cycles, Blender's primary render engine. In just 8 months, the developers managed to make rendering times up to 8 times faster, resulting in significant performance improvements. Now known as Cycles X, it benefits from improved algorithms and the utilization of modern CPUs and GPUs. Blender 3.1 also introduces the Asset Browser, a powerful tool for organizing your assets. With features like asset libraries, catalogs, and tags, you can easily create, access, and organize your favorite assets with a simple click. This browser integrates directly into Blender, speeding up your workflow and enhancing your creative process. In addition to these major updates, Blender 3.1 brings a plethora of other improvements, including geometry node enhancements, grease pencil changes, and UI updates. These tweaks and additions contribute to a faster workflow and a more enjoyable creative experience. Let's not forget the 19 new nodes added to Blender's procedural system. These nodes, including the remarkable Extrude node, revolutionize the modeling process for artists. Procedural modeling enables non-destructive and easily editable models, allowing changes to be made at any time without losing previous iterations. With support for Metal GPU in Cycles, a new point cloud object, and an image editor that can handle massive images, Blender 3.1 continues to strengthen its position as a leading 3D software. The fact that it's free and supported by an incredible community is truly remarkable. To experience the full power of Blender 3.1, you'll need a recommended configuration of 32GB RAM and a 64-bit 8-core CPU. However, it can still run on lower specifications, though it's not ideal. If you're interested in 3D modeling, be sure to check out our guide to the best laptops for 3D modeling for our top recommendations. That concludes our overview of Blender 3.1, the latest update to this exceptional 3D software. Don't forget to visit the Blender website to explore more of its capabilities. Remember, Blender is completely free and open source, making it accessible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what other products or software you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.